Hello everyone, today we will talk about the scatterplot charts in R. A scatter chart or scatterplot is a set of individual dots on a two-dimensional chart. You can optionally specify the size of the individual dots. A scatterplot can accept only one data series. Scatter charts are good for detecting groupings or patterns in many data points that have two variables. Let's see the implementation of scatterplot charts using R charts package in R. First, we need a package that is rcharts. To include the package, we use library function. Here we have the iris dataset. So to see the dataset, we use the view function. In this dataset, we have 150 observations of 5 variables. The dataset gives the measurements in centimeters of the variables sepal length and width and petal length and width respectively for 50 flowers from each of 3 species of iris. The species are Iris setosa, versicolor, and virginica. Here we have the species that is setosa. Then after 50 observations we have versicolor, and last 50 ones are your virginica. Now to make the fields name of the dataset more understandable, we have used gsub function, and here we have replaced the dot with the space. Now you can see that dataset names are more understandable by running this command. Now they are more understandable. To plot the graph, we have used the rplot function by passing the sepal length and sepal width as x and y variables, species for the name of the species, data is equals to iris, and color equals to species according to species field, and at last we have type equals to point for the scatter plot. Now run the command and we got the graph. Now you can see that sepal length and sepal width for all three species are represented as scatterplots. When I hover over these points, it gives me the sepal length, sepal width, and species name of a particular point. So this was how we can create a scatterplot chart using our charts package.